What's hood, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Drizzy, potato, tomato, and by the title you already know why we here. So I'm finna jump right into it, and I'm gonna start off plain and simple with the box. So of course you got the CDP pack box right here. This box for me automatically wins, even though it's just a box. Still, some people actually still collects the box. I personally don't, but some boxes is you just gotta keep. Like, I don't know why, you just gotta keep the box though. Some of them, not all of them. But of course on the box you got Jordans 1 through 11. Michael Jordan ball head at the top. Number 2 with Jordan. You know, the other side of the pack has the rest of the name. The other half of the ball head and the number 3. All the way around. Bling. Then you have the newer box, the 18, that silver metallic type 18 circle, regular, yeah, just plain and simple. But that's from a CDP pack, and this is just, just the newer Jordan 18s. And yes, we got both of them right here. Of course, this one has the wear and tear on it. This is a very old shoe, haven't been out in years, and of course you already know this is the newer one that just dropped like a couple days ago, like a week ago, a couple days ago, whatever. But anyways, we're gonna go straight into the suede feel. We're gonna go straight into the suede feel. This, the CDP pack one, actually feels more buttery than the newer one, the Toros. This one has like that ashy, like you can still catch the stroke motions. I don't know if the camera picking that up, but you can still catch it. But this right here, this feels way softer than the Toros. I don't know if it's because it has some wear and tear to it, so it's kind of loosened up a little bit. I don't know, but this definitely is way softer than the new Toro ones. We're gonna go into the little pull down, the leather part of it. It actually has some leather on the tongue. Now with this leather is not good. This leather feels kind of cheesy. I'm not gonna lie, it's real, I don't know, I can't even explain it. The leather is real, like, thick, it's hard. It's real hard, thick leather. Compared to this is real soft and smooth, kind of buttery. This is actually buttery. This leather feels good. Way better than this. And again, I don't know if it's because this has some wear and tear to it. It's been out for a while. This leather is kind of hard, but it's not bad though. As you can see, like, the leather is still in like good condition. It's not bad. And this is buttery. No tumble, but this is real soft and plush. Like that grandma couch leather. This is real soft and plush up top. Hold up. And then on this one, you see that slight tumble. Like real slight tumble going around on the I almost said toe box. On the tongue. On the tongue, real slight tumble going across. This does not feel that good, honestly. But this, plush, real soft, and again, it has wear and tear, so I'm not sure if it's because of that or or it just was made extra soft. But this is really soft, and the netting on there on the tongue It's kind of almost the same. This one is kind of like a little smaller. Like the little netting material. The little netting material they made on here is kind of a little smaller than it is on here. This actually have a lot more space to it, but it has wear and tear on it. Again, the inside, of course, you have from 1985 to 08 from the pack. And then the inside of here, you don't have that. You have carbon comfort control plate, which is what's around the entire shoe. The back of them, pretty much the same. Of course, this one has the wear and tear on it, but the back is pretty much the same, exactly the same. The size of the shoe, again, pretty much the same. This one just has that wear and tear. The suede on this one is still actually very buttery. I know you all see that swipe action. Again, this one is there, but you can't really pick it up. This has that ashy feel, but this feels so buttery. For real, like that's nice. It feels amazing. Jumpman, pretty much the same 23 stitch Jumpman right there before the toe box. Toe boxes on them. Of course, this one has wear and tear. This one is still DS, so you know it's still narrow until I actually start walking in it. It's gonna flatten out a little bit. My feet not that wide. On the front, the bottom of them pretty much the same, exactly the same. 18 on the bot, 18 on the bottom. Right there, Jumpman in the middle. This one just has that clear icy bottom. This has the red with the white Jumpman, icy with the black Jumpman. Pretty much the same. The lace tips, exactly the same. You got that little chrome look on the red, little chrome plastic tip on the CDP pack. The little lace holders, the all red Toro, and for the CDP pack you have the silver one. The vent on there is exactly the same. Of course, this is modeled after a car, so I'm going to keep calling it like the little air vent. Actually, this one, oh nope, exactly the same. Yep. Exactly the same on the vent parts. And I completed the pack, man. Not the pack, but yeah, man, this was definitely something I had to do for me, because you know, well, you don't know, but you're gonna find out. I like to complete, like, I'm gonna get like Jordan 1 through 23 eventually. You know, I gotta find ones I like, but I like getting all of the silhouettes. I have to find the rest of the Penny Hardaways and colorways that I like. But yeah, this is basically it. Inside's basically the same, besides the stitching on the inside, because this is from the CDP pack, and this is just the newer Toros. All together, both of them is a dope shoe. If I had to choose one or the other, me personally, I would probably have to go with the CDP pack ones, because like the suede is definitely better on this one, or it's just the wear and tear. I'm not sure. You know, and then it's all black. Like, it's an all black shoe. You got that hint of red with the carbon fiber comfort going all the way around. The carbon comfort going all the way around. Like, red and black, it's just a dope shoe. Like, don't get me wrong, this is definitely a dope shoe. Basically, it's just the reverse version of these. If you want to be like technical about it, it's definitely like the reverse version of these. Almost every aspect of the shoe. But this is definitely a dope shoe. Of course, it's in my collection. But if I had to choose, I will go with these. So that is it for my video. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you share the video, friends, family, gang members. Make sure you comment down below, which one would you choose? If you had to choose between these two, which one would you choose? And make sure you hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang. And we out this jam, man.